Hi, I'm Emma. I'm a certified Dubsado specialist, and this is the first in a series of videos to show you how to set up the settings inside of your Dubsado account. So this is really great if you're new to Dubsado and you want to learn, all the different settings that are in this menu here and what to do for each of them in your new account. So to get started, the first thing you're going to see when you sign into Dubsado is your dashboard. So you're going to see your financial goals, which you can set right here. So you can enter a number and you can select it as a yearly or monthly goal. Okay, so I usually put a monthly goal. You can put, whatever that goal is to you, and it'll track how you're doing against that goal. This will show you your open invoices, and if you click on it, it'll show you which invoices those are. So these are some test projects that I have. This is a test account that I use. This isn't my actual account. And then here, the revenue indicator is going to show how you compare to the last 30 days. So it's going to show a percentage. Are you doing better than the last 30 days, or are you, making less money? And where you set these, or where you can see these settings, is under settings here at this gearbox. You're going to go to dashboard, and you can turn off those financial indicators if you want, and you can change the color. Okay, so let's say purple, you want to turn off the financial indicators. Make sure you click save, go back to your dashboard, and you can see that those are gone. So if it stresses you out, if you're just getting started, you really don't want to see that flashing every time you sign into your Dubsado account, I get it. And you can turn those off. Okay, so that's for the dashboard. And then when you come to settings, the first thing you're going to see is branding. So here you can upload your logo. You can change the color. So this is the color that you're going to see on the buttons that are in your emails, in your forms, like at the very bottom where you see submit for a form, or the buttons inside of your emails that your clients are going to see. That's the color. So if you do have branding already defined, that's the color that you're using for buttons and your branding. That would be it. I recommend like a bright color if you can. Just make sure that there's enough contrast to go with white text. Then you're going to put the name of your business email, business phone number, and you can decide whether you want to send the emails under your name or your business name. Your address, all of that's going to be here. Okay? To upload your logo, click the pencil icon, and it's going to pop up a file selector, and you're going to upload a logo that works for you. I've seen rectangular logos look a little bit better because it is going to show up here. So where it says Emma's Business LLC, it's going to be your logo. So I find that rectangular works, but it totally depends on, the style of your logo. Maybe you have a square logo. Just test it out. You can always swap it out later. So you just keep clicking this pencil icon and you can swap it out. So try different sizes, see what works best for you, and you can go from there. The last thing that I'm going to cover in this video is your international settings. So for international settings, here you're going to adjust the time zone you're in, the location, and the currency settings. So for instance, I'm near Toronto, so I choose that time zone. That's the one I'm in. I'm, in Canada, so it's just going to change what these look like. So if I go, for instance, to Spanish and I go to Venezuela, it's going to say Monday, February 20th in Spanish, and it's showing the symbol, which is the Bolivar for Venezuela. So that's correct, and you can hit save on that. So if I go to England, for instance, let's see, what do they have here? The UK. So it's going to update it to pounds. So I'm in Canada, it's Canadian dollar. So for me to make that distinction, because I bill in Canadian dollars, what I do is I basically I leave it the way it is here. And what I do is I specify CAD after the dollar amount in my proposals, so that clients are clear that I'm billing in Canadian dollars, so there's no confusion. So once you have this set to what works best for you, you hit save. Just make sure you always hit save. So that's basically it for your dashboard, for your international settings, and your branding inside of Dubsado. So we'll continue with the rest of these settings in other videos.